Life doesn't have to be boring. What if leveling up in real life could be as exciting as it is in video games? This quick video will give you a comprehensive overview of starting your gamified life system. Let's get started. When you access the template, you'll find this page which clearly divides the Levelife template into many sections. Before we start the demonstration, I would like to share my way of using this with you. First, I recommend using this dashboard feature when you are using it on your PC, as it shows all the pages in one view on your screen. While when you are using your mobile, you can just click on each page to navigate within Notion. Don't worry, the data on the mobile version is synced with the desktop version, so if you do any changes on the mobile, you can also see it on the desktop version. Now back to the main topic. Let's first click on Get Started. When we open this, you will see Create Your Account page. Step 1, enter your character's name and upload your picture. I have also written the optimal dimensions, but you can choose any dimension of the image that suits you. Then moving on to class and subclass. The classes in this Levelife system is like areas of life you are leveling up, like different areas or categories of life. Simply create your classes here. Also, this is completely synced everywhere. Now let's see the dashboard section. Here you will be able to access all features in a single window. On the left, you have your status window showing you profile picture. Like here, as I'm a big fan of this manhwa, Revenge of the Iron-Blooded Sword Hound, I have put that as my profile picture. Of course, you can add anything you want. Then here you will see your name, tier, rank, level, experience points, and gold balance. In the center, you have your class and subclass system for different areas of life, like I explained earlier. A class is like a category of your life, and you can add subclasses inside each class as well. Everything is fully customizable, and then after this, you have the quest board where you just create quests and then complete them, earning experience points and gold balance, which you can then use in this marketplace. This Levelife system is one of the most powerful and underrated tools that you can use to just achieve your goals effortlessly. In video games, you get instant validation for your efforts. Immediate reward. In real life, you study for 2 hours? Well, nothing happened, just vague sensation of you got something done. You work hard and finally post that video or start your business and you get like 0 sales. Life is pretty brutal, ain't it? While video games feel so loving. But now, Levelife gives you instant gratification for the efforts you make in real life. Study for 1 hour? Instant reward. Complete your quest and earn experience points and gold, level up your character, save up gold to buy real-life rewards, and the cool thing? Everything is fully customizable and unrestricted. Create your character, add your profile pic, create unlimited classes and even subclasses. Create and complete quests to earn EXP and gold, as many as you want, by the way. Then level up and buy rewards. Get Levelife today and unlock your progression drive. Link in pinned comment or description.